morning. So here we are in South Santan, southeast of Queen Creek, and we're at a community called Empire Pointe. And this is a Mattamy homes community. We got the Santan Mountains over there. We're just looking at those. We're just one community south from Harvest. So this is a cool one. I'm excited to show you. The only downside is this one's pretty early. So it's not a lot I can show you. So I'll just have to redo this video in a couple months, and that's no problem. So the homes at Empire Pointe, they have the 3 collections, which is sort of like their 3 finishes that they offer. And they range from 1,700 square feet all the way up to almost 4,000 square feet. And so these look like really nice places, a few contemporary ones. So I'm excited to check it out. Let's go skate it. So here we are, we're coming right up on the main clubhouse area. It's solar powered, it's got a workout room in there. There's a playground, there's bocce ball, there's a pool, all the fun stuff, pickleball. And here's some models. Remember, never go to a model without your own realtor. Otherwise you're stuck with the builder's realtor, and that can cost you money. So not a good idea. So if you want to see anything in here, give me a call, we'll go take a look, and I will make sure to save you as much money as possible. So here's some homes. So there's the big ones, so you can kind of see. I like the Southwest contemporary, so we got multiple styles right next to each other, which kind of adds a visual diversity to the community. And then here we got a couple homes that look like they're lived in. So those are the only 2 I saw that look like they were inhabited. The rest look like they're under heavy construction. But what is nice is you can see the bones here. So they are insulating the exterior, right? So under the stucco you got insulation, and they're wrapping the windows to avoid any sort of sill damage or rot. There's the back side of the community space, and this large field that looks like it's kind of sunk in here. A lot of times that will hold water during monsoon, but also what's the plus is that'll all be grass. So I saw the preliminary drawings, it looks like it's going to be beautiful. So it is early, all these walking trails, you know, they're going to be surrounded by grass and plants and rock and landscaping, and look at that, they are blowing insulation. That is a good sign. If you want the highest R value per inch, you want blown in insulation. And then we just saw a walking trail. So trails are the best. Being able to get up and go on morning walks is my favorite thing to do in Arizona. Even though I love skateboarding, walks are the best. Here's some more models. You can see that they've kind of separated the different finishes out. So like I said, there's 3 finishes, and then now here we are all the way back to the solar powered clubhouse, the Empire Park. So let's go in there, let's go check that out. The other thing too, you guys, make sure you have a realtor that puts your priorities first. It's going to help you save money, going to help you negotiate, and somebody that actually listens to you and just is not a pretty face on a sign. So please find somebody with some experience and a brain. And so here we are looking at the pool, and check that out. So much decking space to sunbathe, beautiful pool area, love that. And the palm trees really make this this whole community look classy. My daughter would love that park. She is a park fanatic. I guess that's how it is when you're 2 or 3. And we just saw a basketball court. That's cool. There it is. And then all that dirt's going to be grass. There's pickleball, fastest growing sport in the country. We got our cornhole, which is also extremely popular. I see it on ESPN. Yeah, and back to the pool area. Beautiful. So again, if there's a house you want to look at in here, give me a ring. We can go check it out, because I want to see them too. And inside this building, that is the gym, and so it's filled with workout gear already, so we can go check that out as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.